What is up, guys? Today we're going to be installing our first accessory for the side-by-side, the 2020 Rzr XP 1000 high lifter, and we got us a half windshield from Super ATV. I personally think that's the best accessory to go with off the get-go, because who wants to be driving down the road, wind just killing you in your eyes, bugs hitting you in the face. This helps out a lot to get that wind flowing over your head. I'm going to set up the camera and then we'll open it up, take a look at it, and then put it on there. Alright, let's open this thing up, check it out. Sweet, comes with some sweet stickers. I'll just pull it out. Here's the seal and the actual windshield and directions. I went with the dark tint. And here's your directions. Put the seal on the bottom of the windshield. Clamp that thing on there. That will work. And there should be some clamps in here also. I can't reach them.
A few moments later.
Yeah, it's stuck in there. Alright, let's make sure that's the, yep, that's the only thing. Alright, so it comes with these clamps. Guessing this is just a snap-on and velcro it on there. That makes it easy for taking off and putting it back on. Well, there ain't really but one thing else to do, is put this thing on there. Alright guys, we went with the dark tint. So Super ATV, they make a light tint also, but for some reason on the 2020 model they don't make it yet. I don't know why. And they got a clear, but we got the dark. You can see through it pretty good. It's not too dark. And on the seal, you're going to want to put it on this way. And it's going to sit on your hood. And it's going to seal, make it not vibrate and all that good stuff. So we'll go ahead and put this on real quick. Alright, after you're done putting this on here, you can just cut the rest of it off. Scissors are crap. good enough. Alright, so when you're putting this stuff on, it's really aggravating and hard. Found it best if you wiggle it. I just noticed right before we started up the video that it says on here, I just saw it somewhere, it says to make it easier, soak it in hot water before coating or installing it, and it increases the flexibility. So we didn't do that, so you can put it on without doing that. It just makes it a lot easier. Kind of wish I would have saw that before, but we'll go over, set it on the bike. We'll get our seals. Some of them, they come with clamps that you screw down, but these are Velcro. They just pop in there and you tighten them down. Makes it a lot easier to take on and off if you want to. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get these on here. Alright, we already got the other side done. All you do is pretty simple. You just stick this block through the hole in the windshield. You come around your cage. You slide the Velcro through there. Pull it tight. I wouldn't try to rip it off, but pull it pretty tight. And that's pretty much it. Now, outside of the vehicle, the seal isn't all the way on. We're going to press down a little bit. It may need some wearing in to do to get the seal. I might come up with an idea to make it a little better, but overall I like it. It looks good. I like the tint. We're gonna go for a ride down the road real quick and see how good it blocks the wind from hitting you in the face. So we'll go grab the keys real quick and then we'll make a little trip up the road.
There's not a lot of air coming in. There's still some air coming in, but way better than before. You can see doing pretty good. It's still got the sticky stuff on it. We're gonna go back and clean that off and see how it looks after that.
Alright, so we just got back. Does block the wind way better than no windshield at all. I like the color of it, the dark tint. If y'all want one of these, you can also get them in clear. I know for the later models you can get the light tint and the dark tint or the clear tint. But head on over to superatv.com and buy you one. They're pretty sweet. It blocks the wind out. Looks cool. Go buy you one. We'll catch y'all guys on the next video. Hopefully we'll be doing some riding tomorrow for the first time in a long time. So stay tuned.